Problem solving. What I really liked about one of the skills, it's a broad set of skills actually, but I'll just talk about it in terms of problem solving. When you're working with a team, you can work together as a group to identify, what really is the problem? What is the solution we're looking for? Let's work together to brainstorm what are possible solutions. And you work around this circle to come up with solutions, and then you test and watch those solutions and adjust them accordingly. Well, I just wanted to give one example that I've seen, a lot of examples, but here's one that I was just wonderfully powerful and compelling just not too long ago. So in the state of New Mexico, the largest independent bookstore is fighting this amazing trend where so many people are buying online and so many people are using these electronic books, the Kindles and so forth. Well, what started as the problem of how do we handle competition, when we use this technique, it really allowed us to move very quickly into the problem-solving area, and people started realizing the advantage that they had. The advantage they had as a competitor is they could add a personal connection that the competitor couldn't. What was really amazing was to see how quickly people moved out of defining the needs and brainstorming. And as they were defining the needs and brainstorming, these two steps, it was pretty wonderful how very quickly they realized that we have some possible solutions here that the competition doesn't. We have specialists that really know books and various types of books. And we can add a personal element in terms of, let's say we had a book club get together, people meeting with other people, talking about the books, buying the books. They started to realize that those and probably 15 other areas were advantages, competitive advantages that never were being discussed prior to our sitting down and formally using method 3, using this conflict resolution. And the conflict truly was this whole idea of how do we resolve this problem with severe competition. It was affecting morale, it was affecting their plans in terms of what do we do going forward. And to watch this group, I don't remember how many people there were, 15 perhaps, go through this process was just wonderful because they became empowered and they were able to take ideas and move them to a point where they said, okay, this is one I believe we should implement right away. When the owner came in and saw these ideas and all these sheets of paper with specific, actionable ideas, he was pretty floored. And I think it gave them a lot more of a vision in terms of where they were going.